Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we've got a special little treat beyond on 30A. Stay tuned. This amazing, adorable property here in Inlet Beach. Look at this kitchen. You've got an island, you've got plenty of space, but it's not too much. And what's really great, you've got your eat-in dining space here and your open living space. And look at that detailed wall behind me. The beautiful stacked stone is just perfect as a feature wall. So this wonderful Inlet Beach home has 3 bedrooms. Now here's something that's a little unique about that is this amazing master retreat is the whole top floor, and you get those peekaboo views to the Gulf of Mexico. It's just wonderful with all this light flooding in. But you also have a bedroom on the middle level and a bedroom on the bottom level. And that will just allows you extra space for those rentals, or if this is your primary residence, the kids kind of can be a little bit separated, or if you have guests, they can have their own area and nice and quiet. So this is a beautiful home to check out all of the extra space, and it's perfect for whether you're a rental, whether it's an investment, or whether it's your primary space. It's in a perfect location just at the edge of 30A, and you have access to all of the 30A life. So you also have this amazing outside oasis, 3 hammocks for you to enjoy the outdoors, a couple pads for you to make it your own. And I don't want you to forget, not only were all these little fine details and features beautiful throughout the house with all the stacked stone, but this bottom level not only has a large outdoor balcony that you can all join and entertain in this whole space, but it also has an extra living room on the bottom level. So you could kind of make that maybe the younger entertainment area, whether it's small children, big children, or whatever. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link for all your added details for pricing, square footage, more photos of this beautiful place. And don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Beach Show. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on amazing deals in the future like this one.